Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a password-protected zip file using WinRAR on Windows. Whether you need to secure your documents, images, or any other files, this quick and straightforward method will help you keep your data safe. Let's get started. First, make sure you have WinRAR installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download and install it from website official. Link in description. Right-click on the selected files or folders and choose Add to Archive from the menu. This will open the WinRAR window. Set the password in the Archive Name and Parameters window. Click on Set Password, located at the bottom. Enter your password and click OK to confirm. And that's it. You now have a secure zip file that requires a password to open. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.